guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Coco Renee, and I'm back with another video. Because she's like, yeah, I know. Really pretty skin. I love makeup. I would definitely like just.
Alright, so I'm gonna set up my first.
Don't lie now, Coco. I know that when you get into it, you start to like anybody you see like, damn, look at this thing. I would love to. You don't close your eyes up when you trying to look while I'm trying to put your shot up. Girl, what the I'm here. As soon as you're going through something good, friend, everybody, or you find something negative to say, or you get what I'm saying? And it just weirded me out because it's like, damn, every time something is bad going through.
My new makeup artist, I enjoyed her vibe, her dedication, her passion to her craft. It's just always nice to meet new, genuine people. So what time did your uncle pick you up?
I don't know. I didn't have a phone.
Was it early?
Yes, as soon as I walked out, they called my phone.
You wasn't the last person again,
Yeah.
like last time. Yeah, you know, you been coming late.
So they're going to Hibachi Grill at 6, but they want
7.
everyone to get there at 7.
No, it's gonna be at 7.
Oh.
Is that too late?
And
You wanna wait?
yeah, we can wait.
Okay, if you can wait, I can wait.
They were both errands.
I had bacon and eggs.
Just had bacon and eggs.
hmm
Did you have any sausage?
I just said bacon and eggs.
Who just eats bacon and eggs? You usually have the sausage on the side too.
I was thinking about them salmon patties.
Make sure you don't get gas in your stomach.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
You know what happens then, right?
Yes, I know what happens when you get gas in your stomach. Yo, and swing in this bee.
It might not be open.
Might not be open. Bodo's? It's looking pretty open to me right now. I think Bodo's stay open late now. Well, it used to be open till 9. All right, I'll be right back.
Once we set